Yeah, good morning, everyone. So we saw continuation of positive trend in the US market and followed by the same in Asian market as well. The dollar index came off further yesterday. That has supported the market. Generally, we see rally in this post Christmas period most of the times, and people are expecting similar type of rally in this period as well, which is called Santa rally. So that may continue in the coming period. Uh, Market is near to in the US near to its all-time high, just around 0.5% short of that. So quite possible we may achieve that sooner. Uh, so which may find some the all-time high may find some resistance around that level. But apart from that, a concern is emerging in the international market with increasing activity in Red Sea, where one of the militant from Iran and South Yemen and all are attacking the ships traveling from Red Sea. And people are expecting, and the comments are coming that the war, which was restricted to Gaza, can expand now, and if that happens, then it will act as a negative for the overall world market. Anyhow, the oil prices because of that has moved up by around 2% yesterday, as there were further attack in the Red Sea on the ships traveling from Red Seas by Houthi group. So one need to be careful about that. Apart from that, others are quite normal and positive, and we may expect Indian market also to perform in line with the international market and see positive trend today. Now request technical team to take up from here.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all of you. So, as we have seen in Nifty has shown a positive move in yesterday's trading session, closing at around 21,440 levels. In intraday charts, Nifty has opened on a positive note and had given had almost made a sort of flat pattern on its intraday charts, where the upside resistance lies at 21,470. If we talk about Nifty today, then we're expecting a gap up opening and we're going to expect a positive move in today's trading session. Nifty will start its big upward rally when it crosses 21,480 levels on the upside. When that is done, then the next resistance zone will be 21,570 to 21,650. Whereas the downside support for Nifty lies at 21,360, followed by 21,270. Moving on to Bank Nifty has shown a similar move like Nifty in yesterday's trading session. It has shown a positive opening and a positive closing. The upside resistance for Bank Nifty lies at 48,050. Once that is broken closing basis, then we can expect a rise up to 48,270 to 48,570, 600 levels. Whereas the downside support for Bank Nifty lies at 47,530, followed by 47,230. If we talk about Financial Nifty, it has closed around 21,250 levels. The upside range for Nifty is at 21,300, followed by 21,370, whereas the downside range lies at 21,200 and 21,130. If we talk about stocks, Power Grid is looking good at current levels. It can be bought for a target of 242 by keeping a strict stop loss of 228. Second stock I would recommend here is Biocon. Even Biocon is looking good and it has given a breakout. It can be bought for a target of 264 by keeping a strict stop loss of 238. We have recommended both of these stocks. So that's all from my side. I request the derivatives team to take the call forward.
Thank you, Aish. Good morning, everyone. So on the derivatives front, as we are seeing that Nifty is trading on the positive momentum, as I mentioned yesterday also, that market trend seems to be on the positive front. Only the concern right now seeming is the OI positions, which is trading above the average positions on the monthly basis. From last 4 to 5 trading sessions, we are seeing that the OI positions on the future front is trading almost around 1.6 to 1.5 million, 5 million positions where almost we are seeing that the average position set seems to be around 1.2 to 1.1 crore, but currently from last 4 to 5 days it is around 1.5 to 6 million. Due to this, we might see some heavy volatility in coming 1 to 2 trading sessions. Once if Nifty manages to get about 21,500 level on a spot basis, then it will be confirmed that the OI positions which is getting built, it is for the fresh long positions to get Nifty toward 21,800 to 900 level. But once if Nifty goes below 21,200 level, then again heavy short positions will be initiated due to the OI positions. So hold the long positions overall on the future front, and the overall on the options front also, the OI position seems to be on the positive side, because if you look at the options front also, then at 21,300 to 500 strike, we have seen that in yesterday's session major put writer positions got added up. Only the position which is at 21,500 level, where call writer positions is still holding strongly. Once if it gets liquidated and gets shifted on the higher end, then there will be a confirmation for second leg of buying in the market, while PCR yesterday closed on the positive note around 1.22 level, and it is at a stable zone. It is continuously holding the support and giving a strong bounce back from the supportive zone of the PCR front, which is at 1.12 to 1.08 level. From that zone, we are seeing that PCR is continuously bouncing back, and it is giving a good closing on daily basis. So we expect PCR is on the positive front. So from the data front of the PCR also and the OI front also, market strength seems to be on positive front. Only the concern is on the India VIX side. India VIX yesterday again increased by 7%, which gave closing around 4.68 level. Once if India VIX goes above 15.20 level, then there will be a concern and the volatility will be increased in the market. So keep watch on the India VIX level. Once if India VIX goes above 15.20 level, then be little cautious in the buying a new long position. So once again it gets settled down towards 13 to 12.5 level, then again the market stability will be on the positive side. So overall data front seems to on the positive note. Hold the long positions, and new positions can be created once Nifty spot goes about 21,500 level. On the sectoral and stock specific front, auto, pharma, metal looks a positive. Selective counters would be Tatacom, Tata Chem, and Hind Copper. This three counter looks positive because we have seen that fresh long positions is getting initiated from last 2 to 3 trading session, when we expect a buying to be continued in today's session also in this three counter. While on the negative front, Bata India, Sun TV, and MCX, this three counter seems to be on the negative side. So that's it from the derivative front. Thank you.
Good morning. Vishnu Prakash R. Punglia has received a letter of award for 2 projects totaling to almost 900 crores for development of water supply systems. This also includes 18 years O&M. This order they have received both the orders from Government of Uttarakhand. This is positive. SJVN bagged a 100 megawatt solar project from Gujarat Urja Vikas Nigam worth 550 crores. This is also positive. Amber Enterprises and Next Base Marketing, which is the noise brand in which is into wearables. Both the companies have incorporated a 50-50 JV to carry on business of manufacturing, assembling, and designing of wearables and other electronic products. So this is positive for Amber. IPO of Happy Forgings, which closed last week, will be listing today. We have given subscribe rating. Issue size is 1,000 crores, 400 crores fresh issue, and 600 crores is OFS. It is the 4th largest manufacturer in terms of capacity. It supplies components to OEMs manufacturing CVs, tractors, off-highway, and industrial equipment and machinery. Happy Forgings has differentiated itself from other listed forging companies by focusing on developing higher precision, heavier in weight, and critical and value-added products. This has translated to the company commanding substantially higher EBITDA margins at 28% compared to peers averaging at 18%. Similarly, ROC is also much higher at 24% compared to peer average of 15%. Whereas at the IPO price, the valuation was cheap at 38 times FY23 PE compared to peers average at 54 times. So we are expecting that company is likely to list at a 30% premium to the IPO price. Thank you.
Good morning. Credo Brands Marketing Limited IPO is also listing today. The price band was set at rupees 280 at the upper end, and it is expected to open at around 30% premium. We had given subscribe to the issue. The total issue is of 500 crore, which consists of offer for sale by promoters and other selling shareholders. The company has launched the Mufti brand in 1998, and it is a leading wardrobe solution provider for the menswear category. This is led by Kamal Khushlani, who is the managing director and the promoter of the company, where he had a vision to redefine the menswear. It has adopted an asset-light business model where it is engaged in the sale of garments and accessories, and it has outsourced its manufacturing operations. The Credo Brands issue is valued at 11 times to FY23 EV by EBITDA, which is discount to when compared to its peers. And if we look at the financial performance, it has delivered 3.5% of growth in the top line between FY22-23, which is lower compared to peers. However, the profitability was healthy at around 70%, as it has seen the expansion in operating margins from 10% in FY20 to 33% in FY23. So we had recommended subscribe to the issue. Thank you.
Yeah, and I'll request commodity team to take up from here.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. Good morning, everyone. So today we are expecting a price in gold and silver to continue towards the higher end. So buying around 63,000 is recommended with a stop loss of 62,800. And on upside 63,500 is the level we are eyeing for. Similarly, silver also one can initiate a buy around 75,000 and maintain a stop loss of 74,400. On upside 76,500 is the level we are eyeing for. In metal front, copper prices are trading in a range movement, but we are recommending to buy with a stop loss of 728. On upside, it is expected to test 740, 42. Similarly, zinc also we are expecting 230, 232 levels on higher end. So buying with a stop loss of 227.50 is recommended. In crude oil, prices are expected to test 63.50, 6400. So buying on dips is recommended around 62.40 and maintain a stop loss of 61.70. So in natural gas also we are expecting prices to test 225 to 30 on upside. So buying with a stop loss of 202 is recommended. That's it from me. I'll ask Utkarsh to take the call forward.
Thank you, sir. Very good morning, all. For today's trading session in USD, we are expecting some sideways momentum. So, for the intraday purpose, one can initiate a short positions on January contract around 2083.29 to 83.32 tables with a stop loss of 83.37 for the target of 83.21 and 83.18 levels. In GBP INR, one can initiate a long positions around 105.80 to 105.75 levels with a stop loss of 105.52 for the target of 106.80 05 and 106.25 levels. Thank you.